So for our little holiday bulb, we are going to be using some white, red, black. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flood my cookie with red. You could use whatever color you want. And then I'm just going to come through with my scriber tool and just make sure the frosting is where I want it to be. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to take some white, and you can do this on either side, but you just want to follow the curve. So that just gives it kind of the illusion of a little shine. And then I'm going to come through and I'll do the top here black. This is that part of the Christmas ball that, screws into the electrical outlet. And I'm just going to come through and do a couple little lines to represent, those little grooves. Just like so. And then I like to use a little bit of diamond dust. This is white diamond dust, and I just will hit it with that white diamond dust to give it a little bit of a twinkle, and that's it. So I'll just let that dry.